Today I wanted to share with you one of my favorite lunch restaurants, Olive Tree, the Greek Grill. I'm here maybe every 2 weeks, and I normally always get the Greek lunch, which is essentially, you can either get the lamb and beef combination into a gyro or a chicken option, and then they have a little side salad. It's just a beautiful lunch. It's affordable. The food is always spot on. It's fast, convenient because it's here in the Avenue, and as you know, I live and operate a lot in this area, so I'm a big fan. And you'll find your typical Mediterranean fare here. So, you know, they have gyros, they have falafel, you're gonna find salads, they have an awesome dessert selection. Actually today, first time for me, I experienced the chocolate covered baklava. And gotta say, chef's kiss, it was phenomenal. While you're here, if you have not had the soup, get the soup because it's out of this world. We're on a soup kick right now. This place has great soup. The soup shop has great soup. Just get a soup. It's the summer. It's amazing. If you can avoid the lunch rush, which typically ends around 1:30, you'll find ample seating inside. But if you're here during 11 to 1:30, it's gonna be a little busy, so you've been warned, but there is outside seating if you wanna bear the heat, especially right now. And you might not know this, but Olive Tree is opening up a location in Barras West, which is just a little bit north of us. It's a much bigger location. It's right there off the water. They're doing a lot with that spot, so keep up with us. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, because we will be featuring the new Olive Tree as an exclusive to where we're gonna get insight as to what the entire place is gonna be about, and it's gonna be amazing.